Very good morning, guys. I hope all you are doing really well. How to start the career in a GRC? Very, very important topic, very, very practical topic. Actually, guys, I was taking an online session in which many of the freshers aspirants have asked the same questions about 85%. Ki sir, I am this, and I don't know how to start the career, sir. How can you boost the careers, right? Sir, I'm not actually aware what is a GRC, but it looks like good. So I want to taste the GRC experience. Okay. So this is the answer of that aspirants questions, guys. So I thought I have to make a video so that it would be beneficial to all of you. So guys, without time wasting, let's start the session. Coming to the next slide. This is the question. I am a fresher from average college. My communication is also average, not good. How can I bring my career in GRC from level 0? This is a generic questions, guys. Okay. So there are the three questions involved in one. Like, does average college and freshers matters in GRC career? Second question is, does communication interrupt in my career, GRC career? Question number que- Question number three, how can I bring or how can I boost my career from level 0? So guys, let me clear you. You are a fresher, don't worry about this. Everyone was a fresher in their initial days, so don't worry about this. Does college matters in a GRC domain? No. Educational institutes doesn't matter. Educational educational institute or college helps you to bring in a like campus selection only, nothing else. Only the thing is that your college should be approved. That is the recognized from the government of India. That's all. The level of college doesn't have any kind of issues with your career. Okay. Second thing, my communication is also not good, very, very average. Does it matters in my GRC experience, guys? A little bit, yes. Not more, but at least you should have the understanding and communication. At least you should convey that what should you want to tell to the party, right? Because if you are bringing up the career in GRC governance risk and compliance, guys, then you have to make a policies, right? For this you have to understand the requirement, right? And whatever are the regulatory tasks you have to understand and implement without downtime. You have to try without a downtime actually, and understand the international framework. Sometimes you have to stay in a meeting with international clients as well. So for this, guys, your communication should be in such a level that you should understand or you have to communicate at least, right? This is a bit challenging for those aspirants whose communication is below average. So guys, my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation is to kindly work on your a bit communication. You have to improve your communication a bit higher than the normal one. At least you have to convey or understanding that what is party is telling and what you want to convey to the party. At least that much, yes, that much language. And guys, don't worry about it. After the time passes, right? After a bit experience, your communication, your confidence all over, bringing up. Don't worry about this, only to make a practice during the initial days only, right? Okay. So coming to the answers part, practically organizations consider as a fresher even candidate has around 3 years of experience. Guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you. The uh, Actually, I will give you the practical answers, right? I will not uh, keep you in a dark, right? What is a practical answers, right? You may think that this is very, hard statement I have write somewhere, but my request is to don't take it very seriously, because guys, my intention is to bringing up the aware, right? You should aware that where are you standing and what you like what you need to do actually to boost your career. That's my goal actually. So very very practical session this is. So guys, coming to the point actually, yes, organization always considers as a fresher even you have around 3 or 4 or even 5 years of experience, right? Because making a policies, understanding the policies, right, implementing controls and the regulatory task implementation and understanding the frameworks and standards, right? Identifying the gaps, that means you are at least learning below if you have experience below than 5 years, right? Next thing, the GRC graduation recognized college I had conveyed you earlier. Okay, coming to the next point. One more thing, guys, here you should have the better writing skills because if you are making the policies, that means you are writing a document. Okay, and without a good writing skills, I think you will not be able to convey a good impact on the organization if you are not good in the writing. So at least try to, bring your category up in terms of writing the document at least. And the communication skills, as I told you earlier, right? Because your 80 to 85% is complete depend upon the writing and verbally, right? During the meetings. As I explained you earlier, guys, you have to work on the regulatory task. For example, if any circular or if any compliance task or any kind of, regularity coming from the RBI for the banking, and you are working in a banking insurance sector, you have to understand that what is RBI is telling and what we need to implement in the organization, right? You have to make the policies before that, right? So, so adherence of the policies you must keep aware. Second thing is conveying policies in the management because sometimes management told that why this, policy is required, right? So in that cases, guys, you have to take stand of yourself. A standard framework like PCI, right? Like NIST, like ISO. So there are multiple standard frameworks as well. Identifying the gaps means assessment of gap you have to keep in mind. So for this you have to make a policy. Second is below points may be helpful to start the carry. So why, when, and what, these are the three pillars from which you can uh, bringing up the confidence, like why GRC is required, what is GRC, and when GRC needs to implement. These are the three questions you should always try to find out the answer for the same, right? So there are many, sources on the internet from which you can, take helps like Google, YouTube's, and many more. So point number two, always try to connect with the person who is providing content on Google or YouTube and take guidance if possible. Because guys, those candidate who is providing the content for you, he must be experienced one, right? And after connecting you, you took more confidence and you also know that what is the level of the next party candidate who is providing the content actually, right? Third point is start working on the basic certifications, guys. Don't worry about that. What are those certification? I will provide you the list of the certification in my next video. Don't worry about that. So basic certification you should do. Guys, without certification, you are not able to exist in the market because because guys, three certification are the threshold level you are standing upon, right? Because every employers are searching on the basis of first certification. For example, I am ISO certified lead auditor as well as lead implementer, right? And I have around 10 years of experience, right? So the employer is actually searching and they need an ISO guy and another guys who doesn't have the certification, and I am having the certification, they will choose me directly, or the particular one who are more experienced than me. That means certifications matter, experience matter, right? Experience, experience time is not in your hand, right? It will come as the time crosses you, right? But the certification is your hand, guys. So my personal suggestion, my strong recommendation is to focus on your basic certifications, because certification are the key uh, in which your skills keeps you unique from the other guys, right? Because there are a hurdle in market and you have the only certifications and other guys not, right? So so always employers picking you. For example, if they are searching on the Naukri portal that ISO certified candidate, that means if you are certified, then and only then your resume will pop up there. Those who are not certified guys, I mean their resume will not pop up there. So actually guys, certification matters here. So do the relevant certifications and renew it on time. Okay, don't be lazy about the particular knowledges, I believe, my personal uh, recommendation. Next slide, guys. Okay. Point number four, try to find some internship type company to get OJT. OJT, guys, is the on-job training. It helps you to bring some practical confidences, right? But ensure that don't pay to internship organization, right? If you are able to pay, then it's no worries. But before paying the internship organization, think once about it. Sorry, whether this kind of training is going to help you or not, right? So point number four is okay. Point number five, upload your profile with successful certification on an employment portal like Naukri, LinkedIn, etc. Right. Point number six, every morning keep your resume updated, because during the employer searching, the latest updates resume pop up first. Yes, very important, guys. Most of the candidates are lacking in point number six and seven. Very, very important. Point number six is saying that if you are updating your profile every day, right? So the latest updated profile brings in the top list of searching, right? If you are not updating your profile, that means your, I mean, Naukri portal will keep your profile at the lower end. If you are updating, then a Naukri portal thinks that yes, this guy needs the movement, right? Needs the change. That's why he is continuously updating. And the employer who registered on the Naukri portal, if they are searching, then the latest updated profile comes in the top list. So every morning when you are logging to your machine, your laptop, or whatever your asset may be, keep updated your resume or some content in the Naukri portal, right? Point number seven, most important, take Naukri premium services if you are a fresher. Very, very important, guys. In my initial days, I had also taken these services and I got a lot of benefits from this particular. I mean, a minimum charges they will charge you, right? Very, very minimum. At that time, I think 750 or 780 rupees was there, and I got a proper guidance from the Naukri hiring premiums, services. So if you are a fresher and you are not getting much calls, right, then take the Naukri premium services, right? And the caller who is calling from the Naukri side, guys, tie up with them. Okay, definitely they will help you to modify your profile, right? They will help you to get you more calls, right? Even they will give you some concessions on the charges as well. Maybe discuss about this. Point number eight, keep trying to get more certifications from this Naukri portal. Keeps your profile ahead in search with respect to the other candidates and keeps you unique, guys. Point number eight is very, very important, as I explained you earlier. uh, the more number of certification you are having, guys, the more you are unique in the market, right? Point number nine, don't spend money on the market institute. Usually you will not get much benefits and they charged heavy, right? Actually, point number nine is partially correct. This is not applicable for all the institute. Do inquiry before you joining any kind of institute, if you think that particular institutes helping you, right? That means, uh, inquiry about the proper outputs before joining, right? But my personal suggestion is that avoid the market institutes, right? And yes, instead of joining that particular one, join the internship. The payment you are going to pay to the market institute, right? That particular payment you can use in internship, because internship is the on job training type, right? That means the practical knowledge you would get from the internship organization, right? So I think you can use your institute paying money towards the internship organization. And point number 10 is the last one, guys. Keep learning interview based questions, right? Don't skip any kind of learning, guys, right? Keep consistency, because without consistency you will not get it. You will not get the success, guys. My 100% bet this is. So keep learning interview based questions, and guys, keep trying to bringing up the higher certification, because because there are many colleagues in my circle itself who are a fresher having 1 or 2 years of experience, and they had done the level 4 certifications. Company is paying higher than the other ones, right? So certifications matters. So don't be behind to get the particular certifications. You may comment in case of any help required, guys, um, in the chat box. So guys, I think this session will help you. What are the steps you should keep in mind if you are a fresher, guys? And guys, one more thing, don't, don't waste your times here and there. Be focused on your career, right? Because these are the only ones uh, who gets you more confidence, right? In your interviews journey, guys, if you have any comment or any help require or any kind of suggestions, right, you can do your comment in my comment box. You can also drop me an email. My email is exist in the about section in my channel, right? Thank you so much. Thank you.